All right, everybody. Welcome to day 9 of 100 Days Vibe Coding. And have to apologize, I missed yesterday. So I'm going to also do day 10 today as well. I'll release them both today. Yesterday ended up being a kind of a hectic day, but for the sake of this playlist, I'm going to go ahead and do days 9 and 10 today. Let's go ahead and just get started. Let's see. Let's make a JavaScript. What should it be this time? We've done a, let's do Asteroids clone. Oh, and I have it in ask mode. I got to switch it over to agent mode. Go ahead and do that. There we go. It's creating it. All right, if you haven't already been watching this series, I have 8 videos out so far in this particular series. We've done, I don't even know, let's see. We've done a Pong clone, a breakout clone, a guessing game, a coin flip game. Let's see how we got. Let's test this out really quick and then I'll get back to what I was saying. All right, looks like nothing's really happening here. Let's go ahead and open up the console. And sure enough, uncaught syntax error. Cannot use import statement outside of a module. Let's copy that. We'll say we got an error in our console. Okay. And it'll tell us why we got this error. Because the browser does not support ES6 export syntax and regular script unless you Spotify. Blah, 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 blah. To fix this, blah, blah, blah. We're going to say, yes, go ahead. Go ahead and fix that, please. And as you're working on these things, you know, if you're not someone who knows anything about coding and you run into these issues, it is in your best interest to actually research and understand more deeply why these errors are happening. All right, let's go ahead and reload the page. Okay, we got more errors. This is very common when you're first having the Copilot or any kind of agent, coding agent, make something for you. I'm just going to say more errors. All right, so it's saying that we're having a CORS issue. You could look that up to understand better what that is. This issue will be bypassed if we want to run a local server. So let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and have the coding agent do it for us. Go ahead and do that for us. Excuse me. I was just out mowing the lawn, hence the disheveledness and whatnot. All right, good. Server's running. Note that I have Python installed currently, so that's why I was able to just do that. Now I can click on this localhost thing. Let's see, how is this supposed to... Okay. Yep. That looks like an Asteroids clone. Cool. All right, so it doesn't quite have all the functionality of an Asteroids clone. For instance, let me just make sure I can wrap around here. And good thing I can't shoot myself. That's good. But usually in Asteroids, right? Number one, I don't think your bullets wrap around. And then also the asteroid should break into smaller pieces. So we're going to keep this because it's technically working. Let's go ahead and inspect it though anyways, make sure there's no errors happening. Failed to load resource. Oh, that doesn't matter. All right. Let's go ahead and get rid of our console for now. Okay, let's just say our bullets shouldn't, I'll say wrap around, and the asteroids should break into smaller pieces. All right, we want to make it more of a legit Asteroids clone, but so far it's, you know, graphics-wise and control-wise, it's identical. It's just some of the mechanics are a bit different. And then after we do this, we will perhaps ask about implementing some improvements. Let's go ahead and refresh. Yep, that's working good. Bullets are no longer wrapping around. This is perfect. Excellent, excellent, excellent. They kind of go crazy. But it's okay. All right. Keep that. Good, good. Implement some improvements of your choosing. I'm assuming it's going to do like a score, right? Because we don't have a score right now. Maybe it'll have like a start screen, a play again screen if you die. Let's see. Those are some basic game elements. Interesting that it's not even telling us what it's going to do. Ship displays a flame effect when accelerated. That's cool. I guess actually the old one might have had that. I'm not sure. Asteroids score system added. Okay, let's refresh. And we got an issue. Inspect console. Yeah, again, it's funny that it doesn't remember that this was a problem before. Error. It's that module import error again, or export error, I should say. So it should remove that and just reference the script instead of using an import statement. Good. Refresh. No, come on. Please make sure to fix any possible cause of this sort of error. Sometimes it'll be lazy, right? And it'll just find the specific error and fix it, even though it might be a pervasive error across multiple files. Other times it will intelligently go ahead and take care of all of them for you. So this time it only fixed the one. It was lazy, so I told it to go out and fix more. I don't know. Okay, maybe that was the last one then. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, nice. I actually really like this. All right, let's go ahead and stick with this so that I can get a day 10 out there. I know this is technically kind of cheating, right? Because I missed a day, but bear with me. Life happens. But this was day 9 of the 100 Days VibeCoding games. And today we built an Asteroid clone using Visual Studio Code GitHub Copilot using GPT 4.1. If you like this video, please go ahead and like, subscribe, share, and comment, all that stuff. You know, even if your comments are relatively negative or even very negative, that's okay, as long as you're not being, you know, a jerk to anyone except for me. You can be a jerk to me, that's fine. Just be nice to one another. And until next time, happy coding.